Have you ever wished to make money in such a way that you have your phone buzzing without even you having to do a lot of work or even having to stress yourself or market yourself every single day? Sounds like magic, right? But this particular website I'm going to be showing you and I'm going to be putting you through on how it works is one that can make you some cool cash without even having to put yourself out there or rack your brain. This particular site also I'm going to be revealing in this video, and this is one that has changed people's life. If you are really down with it, you can actually turn it into a major stream of income. If you are a Nigerian, then this video should really help you, so do not scroll. Now this is someone on Nairaland, and I was just scrolling to see, and this is someone who was sharing his own testimony on how he started with a very little amount, and he said this is the best decision he has made. So now you're going to be wondering what decision, what website. Now, this particular website, I'm going to be revealing the name in the end of this video because I myself, I am super down with this website and I don't want it to get so saturated to people who may not even be interested. So if you're down for this video, then watch through the end because I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it and how to earn. And the beautiful thing is that this particular website, even if you do not want to earn, you can also save a lot of money with this website, meaning you can either use it for your personal use if you do not want to earn, or you don't want to go commercial, or you can use it to put in some cash into your pocket. Now, this particular website is one where you are going to be offering cheap data, cheap airtime. This website also does DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes subscription and the likes. We all know how data and airtime is becoming high and on the rise, skyrocketing day by day. But the amazing thing is that we cannot do without data, being that we are now in a digital world where all we want to do is press our phones, go on social media or go on the internet, and you need data. You also need airtime, of course, either to convert to data or to hook up with your old pals or your friends and families. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage with this. Now, this particular website is one where it's automated. You can see here, it is super secure and it is super reliable. And of course, they have a very great customer support. And this is where so many persons are actually leveraging on. Now, the first thing you want to do is you either sign up by clicking on the register button, and when you click the register button, it will take you to a page where you have to fill in your data, your full name, your username, your email, your phone number, your address, your referral name. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description to this website so you can easily use the link to access this website. Then you put in your password, you confirm the password, you agree, and of course you click sign up. So while you are doing this, make sure to keep your username and password in mind because that's what you are going to be using to register subsequently. Now, once you are done that, the next thing you want to do is go to the login option. Now, once you go to the login, you'll be filling your username and your password, and all you want to do is click the sign in button. So it's going to, of course, authenticate, and it's going to open this particular page for you. Now, this particular website, I have opened it. So this is a new account which I'm just going to be showing you. Now, first of all, this website already, if you refer people to it, you get to earn 500 naira immediately the person upgrades his or her account to affiliate, and 1000 naira when the person upgrades to top user. So if you refer 3 friends, 2 families, and they upgrade their account to affiliate, you already have that 500 times 5. That you already have 2500. So if your target is to even make 10,000 naira daily, it is something you can meet up with, given the fact that everybody uses data. Now, the beautiful thing about this, so this is our dashboard here. And of course, you can see we are under the Smart Earner package. So you start off as a Smart Earner and you can already start doing your thing with this. So the other packages, I'm going to be telling you the difference between other packages. So there are actually 3 packages. There's the Smart Earner, there is the affiliate, and there is the top user. So I'm going to be telling you all the advantages of these different affiliate packages, or these different packages rather. So now this is our account, and you can see here that our wallet balance is 0 because, like I said, this is a new account. Now the next thing we want to do is, because we are here to sell, I'm going to go to the buy data option. So if you are down to sell, if you are down to make this commercial, then just follow me closely. Just follow me closely, as I'm going to be showing you the best route to do that. So to buy data, it's just going to put you through the normal route, how to get data from the website. You go here, you click your network, you select this drop down button. You can either choose MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile or Airtel. You select your data type by clicking this drop down. Also, you can either do corporate gifting, SME or SME2. So you can do either SME or SME2, like if you are doing for yourself. Then you want to fill in the mobile number here, and you want to fill in the amount here. Then you want to click on buy now. So basically the way this thing works is that you would need to fund your account in order to buy data. So what they showed now is just a notification telling you the best route to fund your account. So basically, just the way you fund your account is just like if you want to buy airtime. If you want to get data, you need to get airtime in order to get data. Or if you want to buy data from your bank, you need to have money in your account to buy data from your bank. So this thing works the similar way. So what you need to do is you go here, you'll be given an account number the moment you get registered. So once you fund your account, you can start with funding it with 5,000 or 10,000, just as your pocket carries you. Once you fund your account, of course, it will reflect in your balance. And of course, when you want to buy data or airtime, you can easily fill it up and of course buy it. So now, if you are going commercial, it's also the same way. You fund it, and when people pay you, you buy. But the beautiful thing is that you are earning extra from it. So when people get data or airtime from you, you make a certain percent. So now I'm going to be showing you the pricing and the most profitable part. I'm also going to be showing you the different packages and the advantages. Now we click on pricing, and of course you can see this is the pricing. Remember, when you start, you are under Smart Earner here. You are under Smart Earner here, and you can either upgrade to affiliate or top user. And of course, the services that are offered are, of course, MTN, Airtel, Glo airtime, 9 Mobile airtime, Airtel airtime. You see, they also check WAEC result, NECO, and all those stuff like that. But basically, I'm going to be letting you know the most profitable one, which is data. And in that data, I'm going to be showing you the most profitable particular data that will be easy for you to sell and get super extra. Now, for this Smart Earner, the percentage that is being paid out is 99, so you get 1%. For example, this is an example below here. If somebody recharges 100 naira, the person, like if you recharge 100 naira, instead of 100 naira, you recharge 100 naira airtime at the rate of 99 naira. Okay, so that is how it works. Same for affiliate. So you will recharge 100 naira at the rate of 98 naira, top user, and stuff like that. So the thing about this is the higher you get, the more your gain is for this airtime part though. So now let's leave all these ones. Now this is data. We're going to go to data. Now just look at the data. If you are an MTN user, an Airtel user, Glo or 9 Mobile, just begin to compare this data with the one that you have been buying and see the huge difference. So imagine getting 500 MB. Just a whole 500 MB for 150 naira. Affiliate, you are going to pay 147. Top user, you are going to pay 145, and happy user, you would pay 142. And that is how it goes. The higher plan you buy, the lesser you pay. So in order to get to affiliate or top user, you may have to upgrade. But as I would advise you, because I'm here to show you how you can leverage it and make the best of it, you can stick with smart user and you can earn good. Now, when you look at all these plan sizes, this is just for MTN. You can see how cheap it is. You can see how cheap it is. Imagine 75 gig. We have 75 gig for 15,400. We have 40 gig for 10,600. Then Glo data, the same thing. Airtel data, you can see Airtel data 20 gig. 20 gig is going for 5,900. So now I'm going to be showing you the most profitable one is this 2 gig here. 2 gig for 570 naira. Now when you check MTN, I don't think MTN has 2 gig, but they have 1.2 gig at 1,000. So you can see the whooping difference. At the same for 30 days. Okay, so if you do this 2 gig for 590 and you sell it at a rate of 700, aside from the gain that you'll be getting as a smart earner using the platform to sell, you are also making an extra gain of 200. That is if you want to sell it at 700. You can decide to sell it at 900 because it is still very cheap in the eyes of customers who are paying 1,000 naira for just 1.2 gig, and you are giving a whole 2 gig for 900 or 800 naira. It is the same story for Glo and Airtel. Airtel 1.2 gig is also 1,000 naira. 1.5 gig is 1,200 naira. It is still not up to 2 gig, but it is already as high as 1,500 naira, or it's already as high as 1,200 naira rather. So if you are selling 2 gig for Airtel, knowing that 1.5 gig is 1,2 and you are selling 2 gig at the rate of 1,000 naira, it is still very cheap in the eyes of customers. And this is one way that you can leverage on it. The moment you sell data and you establish yourself first from your friends, your families, people around you, let them know that you sell data. The moment they know, especially in Nigeria, I don't think it's a Nigerian thing, but everybody loves cheap things that are good. The moment they know that the data is cheap or your data is cheap and it's the same data, they will definitely buy. You just need to be lying in your room and doing your own thing, and someone buzzes you up to say, I would like to get data, so gig. And you have made sales. And this is something that, of course, you can, in a day, you can have a lot of persons requesting for data, and you have made a lot of gain from that. It's the same thing for Nine Mobile. So this is an opportunity, a very sweet opportunity waiting to be leveraged upon. The name of this website is VTU Express, and you can easily access it by going to vtuexpress.com. Yes, so this is the particular way you can do it, and all you need to do is just let your friends know, post it on your WhatsApp status or Facebook. The moment people know, the calls keep coming in, and this is another sweet way to earn. And also remember that you also save money by using the platform, because if you are doing for other people, definitely you should be doing data for yourself from here, and you are saving your money that you would spend in getting a whole huge amount of data for a very exorbitant price. So while you do that, you can also make money by, of course, utilities, which is like a light bill. You can pay your NEPA with this bill payment. Of course, like I showed you, you can also do WAEC checker with it. You can see here, WAEC NECO checker. So there's a whole lot that you can do with this website. Remember, the name of this website is VTU Express, and I'll be leaving the link in the description. So if you found this video helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to like this video. Do well to leave a comment if you have any questions, or you need any clarification as regards the video. Do well to leave it in the comments. I would love to hear it, and I would love to respond. And also, I remain TFI, and I help to show you ways on how to leverage these platforms, leverage online platforms to make money online. So stay tuned and have a lovely day.